Anyways, today we're unboxing and demoing the Dollar Tree Misty Cauldron and Bubbly Cauldron. Start with this one. I wonder if that one's adapted or not. Oh, it's. Oh no, it's not. Oh, I'm already telling you this is kind of a neat design. I'm waiting for these bubbles to do. So itself. Here. Alright, I made some homemade bubbles. So let's try this out. Hopefully these bubbles work. Oh, they work. It works. There it goes. It's not doing much. Well, a little more bubbles and soap. See if it does anything. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, this had a lot more soap. Oh yeah, so I just need to add more soap. Yeah, it works. Somewhat. I'll use it. I don't have very high hopes for it. Probably will use it though. The big bubbles, I will say that. They're not small by any means. Yeah, but that's that. And it looks like this actually will hold bubbles for a good amount of time, which is good. So how it works? Yeah, just the thing goes down. It's still in the dark. I mean, it's kind of do because it's not really dark, but yeah. Yeah, shut this off and we'll get into the next one. Now this one comes with a little pamphlet, Type-C phone charger cord, and the actual thing itself. Right, fill it up with water and plug it in. And let's give her a go. Maybe where there it is. Hopefully I didn't fill this up too much. I probably did. Right, here it goes. That's really cool. Nothing's happening. I wonder if it has to go to that. Water has to go up to a line, maybe. I'm betting that's what it is. Here, I'll try that one. And it's right up to a line, plug in, see if it does anything different. Okay. This isn't very cool. Hey, it's working. Yeah. It's working. That took way too long, so. Oh, shoot, don't do that. So I might have figured it out. Oh my. Oh goodness. Oh gracious. Oh goodness. So it has to like build up a... Okay, now it's not working yet. It's just working so well. Huh. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and see if it works here. You've seen what it's supposed to do though, so yeah, anyways, thanks for watching and bye.